Hello, welcome to Global Online, and today we are discussing NTA UGC NET 2023 Paper to Economics. In this lecture, we discuss about game theory from Microeconomics. And friends, we have played a lot of games, video game, outdoor game. That's okay. But this game is not that. It's something different from the game that we played. And we can see what the game. First question, the game theory is the study of selecting optimal strategies, resolving conflict between players, giving equal outcome to participants, and none of this. And the answer for this question is selecting optimal strategies. So, in game theory, we want to select the optimal strategy between the players, and that we get from selecting the saddle point. Okay. And the next question, zero sum game has to be dash game. Here the zero sum is something different, and that game has to be a single player, two player, multiplayer and three player. And the answer is multiplayer. So for a zero sum game, that has to be a multiplayer game. Why? Because the zero sum game has a long term condition, and for this condition to satisfy, the zero sum game could be multiplayer. Okay. And then a saddle point exists when options given are maximin value equals maximax value, minimax value equal to minimum value, minimax value equals maximin value, and the options look alike same, but there are difference between the options. And the correct answer for this question, minimax value equals maximin value. And the minimax and maximin we can get from row min equals column max. So the minimum value from the row of the matrix equals the maximum value from the column, that resemble to form a saddle point for a game. Okay. Then before we move into next question, we can see what Global Online offering for you. We provide complete syllabus video lectures, notes, mock tests and solved PYQs, and you can get from this from our app and enroll from there, and any queries or confusion related to this you can contact with this given WhatsApp number. Clear? And get paper 1 complete course fee with paper 2. Okay. Then the next question, the games with saddle point are probabilistic in nature, normative in nature, stochastic in nature and deterministic in nature. So the answer is deterministic nature. Of course, the saddle point gives the game a deterministic way or the deterministic nature, because the saddle point is the optimal strategy for a game. For a optimal strategy means a deterministic way. Clear? Then if the value of the game is 0, then the game is known as fair game, pure strategy, pure game and mixed strategy. And the answer is pure game. For a zero sum game, the game is a pure game. Okay. A game with zero value, that gives a pure game. Clear? Then the matrix is given, and also you want to answer the saddle point. And there are two players. First is player A and the second is player B. And from this we want to answer the saddle point. First case, the row min. First case is row min. So this is the row and this is the column. And first row we can get the minimum value, that is minus 4. Then second row the minimum is minus 3. In third row the minimum value is minus 5. Clear? And the column max. The maximum value in first column is 3. Then second column is minus 3. Third column is 6. And this is the row min, and this given as R, and this is the column max. From this, again we want to select the mini max and maxi min. This is the minimum point. From there, we want to select the maximum point. Here the maximum is minus 3. And here the minimum value is minus 3. Clear? So this is equal. So in this matrix or in this game, there are a saddle point. In some games, there are no saddle point, but we can see that the both values minimax and maximum value is same, that is minus 3. So from this minus 3, the game will attain a saddle point or an optimal strategy. Clear? And answer for this question is minus 3. Then the theory of games and economic behavior is published by John von Neumann and Morgenstern, John Flood, Bellman and Newman, Mr. Erlinger. And this question is for you. You will answer this question in the comment box. And any queries related to this question, please ask in the comment box. Okay? And we will see in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.